Hi, I'm Jaydeep Jadhav. I have completed my Masters in Management Studies from Pillai Institute of Management Studies and Research with a specialization in finance. Few months ago, I was looking for a job in investment bank or hedge fund. I got a reference of Magic Institute of Excellence, Investment Banking and Hedge Fund program. Throughout the program, we learn about the financial market and different types of financial instruments. I understood how financial instruments exactly works in capital market. We not only learn about the theoretical part, we got exposure about what had happened in 2008 financial crisis, so how it impacted on the global economy. The best thing over the program, all the lectures were live along with the recordings and notes, which helped me to upgrade myself. All the trainers were industry experts with having high domain knowledge that helped me to grab knowledge with ease. Along with this course, we had extra sessions like digital communication, which helped me to improve my communication skills, and LinkedIn networking, which helped me to build my professional network. I would like to thank Vishal sir and Prathamesh sir along with the Magic Institute of Excellence. I would like to recommend who wish to make a career in finance domain.